Isang mapagpala at makadiyos pong hapon sa ating lahat. Bago po lahat, gusto ko lang po nang batiin ang ating presiding officer at lahat po ng kababayan sa pungulungan na ito ng isang Happy Women's Month. Nasa inyo pong lapag ang kopya po ng summary ng ating mga ng Barangay Merville at Barangay Munwok. So ito po yung sa budget po ng Barangay Merville, may kabuuan po itong 87,812,537.94. So makikita din po natin, dyan po yung mga percent niya po, at yung not available resource for appropriation, yan po yung MOE. Yun lang po, mahal ko po.
Yes, Councilor Tines Plana.
Yes, Madam Chair. Naipakita naman ng Barangay Merville the reason it was went back to committee level last time, nagpakita na i-present na nila yung kanilang bank statement. So if there are no more questions, na itakal na po lahat during committee hearing, I move to terminate the period of deliberation.
Before we terminate the period of deliberations, may I request to Councilor Jerome Bart Frias to temporarily take over as a presiding officer. I just have some questions with regard to the budget of Barangay Merville.
Session resumes.
Mr. Chair, I would just like to ask, I don't know if the Committee on Appropriations was able to review the minutes of the first committee meeting of the Barangay Merville budget, but I was able to secure a copy and even the voice recording of the first committee meeting. And may I read that the section that I want to point out? It is said in the minutes of the committee meeting dated February 12, 2024, 10 o'clock a.m. Councilor Santos, Councilor Esplana asked if there were remaining budgets from the previous year. Kapitan Ad said there was 63 million left from the previous administration. 63 million left from the previous administration. Though a big amount, there were a lot of achievements in the barangay. May I ask, if the amount of 63 million, as stated by the barangay captain of Merville, Kapitan Ad Bernabe, reflects the bank statement presented to the committee?
Kapitan Noel Haplos.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is stated indeed that in the bank statement, it's 63 million. As stated by Kapitan Ad Bernabe, 63 million left from the previous administration.
Ma'am, yung natira po is 73. Ginamit po nila sa last year, yung end of the year, yung 10. So natira po is 63. Yun po yung nangyari, kaya po naging 63 lang po yung beginning balance nila, ma'am.
Kaya nagkaroon ng kalituhan. Kasi ang tanong ng mga konsehal sa committee, magkano ba ang iniwan ng previous administration? So, ang sagot naman ng kapitan is 63 million.
73 dapat.
Kaya nagkaroon ng kalituhan. When in fact, it's really 73 million. So naipasa po ba, Kapitan Noel Haplos, sa yung bank statement na nakasaad, 73 million po mahigit ang iniwan ng nakaraang administration?
Yes, ma'am.
Mabuti na lang nagmamatch. Kasi po ang inyong lingkod, kumuha po ng bank statement galing sa Land Bank at Veterans. Naka-reflect po dito, 73 million. Kaya gano'n na lang po ang aking pagtataka nung binasa ko po yung minutes noong February 12 na ang sinasabi ay 63 million.
Thank you, Madam Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, Councilor Esplano.
Mr. Chair, can I request for a recess? 1 minute
Before we
recess.
proceed with the recess, I will now be turning over the chairpersonship to our Vice Mayor John Villafuerte.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Jet Frias. The chairperson declares a 1-minute recess. Being the proponent, Kapitan Noel Haplos, I'm just quite concerned that from the first statement of the barangay captain during the first committee meeting, he stated that the beginning balance is 63 million. When in fact, we have evidence to show and pictures of that as well as documents coming from the bank, that the previous administration turned over a check from Land Bank amounting to 71 million pesos and a check from the Veterans Bank amounting to 2.454 670 million. I would like to ask the committee if there are statements that do not match at mga salita sa committee na binitawan sa mga konsehal, how do we take that? And then the next committee, iba na naman ang statement. Is that inconsistency or dishonesty? Mahirap yung inconsistent. Mahirap din yung dishonest. Kasi ang pipirma nito, konseho. Are we being fed with the wrong information? Councilor Tin Esplana, you have a question?
Although I was in the committee hearing, both of the committee hearings, I missed out something that I should have asked. Bago po kasi dumaan sa atin, bago pa dumating sa mga budget, sa accounting, ito ay merong ordinance na pinirmahan, approved budget ng bawat barangay council ng mga kagawad. And dun sa pinirmahan nila, ang naka-declare na beginning balance is 32 million. So, I believe that kailangan baguhin din ng ating barangay council or kagawad yung kanilang ordinance about it na the beginning balance, it's not 32 million but 73 million is the actual stated in the bank statement.
Ang sabi sa committee, 63 million. Tapos, sa barangay ordinance, 32 million. Tapos, nung nag-research ako, ang sabi ng bangko, 73 million. The chair calls for a 1-minute recess. Councilor Marvin Satos, you have a...
Thank you, Madam Chair. Medyo nalinawan tayo doon sa mga statement na pabago-bago na dapat 63 million ang beginning balance na nakalagay sa statement nila sa annual budget is 32 million. Madam Chair, may question lang ako.
I think it's not 63. It's 73.
Yes, Madam Chair. It's 73 o 63, mali pa rin po yung nakalagay sa record na pinasa nila. May question lang, Madam Chair.
Yes, go ahead, Councilor Santos.
Ang election ng barangay is October 30.
Yes.
Then naupo po yung ating mga bagong opisyal,
November 7.
November 7, yung
Yes.
iba po November 15, kung kailan po sila nakapagpasa ng statement of expenses.
Yes.
Di ba? Kahit nakapag-oath ka po kasi, kung hindi ka magpapasa ng statement of expenses, hindi ka pwedeng umupo. So, karamihan po sa barangay official, kapitan or kagawad or SK, naupo po ng mga November 15.
Yes, November.
Tama po ba doon, Mr. Proponent?
Yes, yes.
Question, Madam Chair. Kung 73 million po yung iniwan ng dating kapitan o ng dating council, medyo curious lang po ako paano po naubos yung 10 million pesos sa isang buwan na kung bago po kasi tayong upo na bagong council, kinakailangan mo pa mag-session, magawa ng mga committees na dapat i-assign sa kanila, then kinakailangan mo rin mag-convene ng BAC o yung Bids and Awards Committee sa Barangay Council. So, ang question ko po, siguro po parang curious lang, paano po naubos yung 10 million ng isang buwan? Hindi pa po pwede mag-transact kung hindi pa po na-execute yung Bids and Awards Committee ng barangay. Hindi pwedeng gumastos ng malalaking amount. Tama po ba yun,
Tama po yun.
Liga President?
Tama po yan.
So, isang question lang po, Madam Chair.
Are there any more questions? And may I ask the proponent or the committee if they have a barangay resolution with regard to their beginning budget
Yes, ma'am.
or a barangay ordinance?
We will look into it, ma'am.
Pero nung nag-committee ba, ito ba'y ipinasa yung barangay ordinance na nakasaad kung ano yung beginning budget nila? Kasi alam ko dapat may ganon.
Yes, ma'am. Ang dineclare po nila is yung 32 billion yung beginning balance.
So ang beginning balance sa ipinasa
Ito,
nilang
wala
barangay ordinance is 32 million.
Yes.
I think it's inconsistent.
Dapat 63. Ay, sorry.
It should be
73.
as per the checks turned over to them by the past administration. It's 73 million. Tapos 32 million yung dineklara nila sa ordinansa.
Ma'am, I
Mr.
recommend it to
League
the committee.
President, Cap Noel Haplos, do you think this merits the approval of the council now?
Right now, ma'am, siguro marami pa po tayong dapat alamin. Kagaya po nung sinasabi ko, I'm enlightened by you, ma'am, na dapat hindi lang ho doon tayo sa department head na umaasa sa sinasabi po nila. Dahil napakahirap po na on our part that we will have a signature na 32 million lang yung ilalagay na may iwan yung 21 million. So I will recommend it to back to the committee. So I will encourage them na sagutin na po lahat. So we will list the other question na pwede namin i-question po.
So, can you make the proper motion, Kapitan Haplos?
So I will move the Barangay Merville to be back on committee level.
There was a motion by the proponent himself that
Second, Madam Chair.
the proposed budget of Barangay Merville, resolution number 705 be referred back to the committee, seconded by Councilor Marvin Santos, the majority floor leader. Resolution number 705 is being brought back to the committee.